Hi traders, this is Marina, the Trader Chick Villatoro with Simplifying Day Trading and the market recap for February 21st. So there was no trading on Monday, so we had a 3-day weekend technically, even though futures you can trade on Sundays. But it's pretty slow usually. You don't really want to go there. My first thing that I did was to see if there was any news, and there weren't any news for Tuesday. So now I am wondering what is going on. It is obvious that the market has been trending upward, upward, upward. So now, by the time it was 8:30 my time Central or 9:30 Eastern, we were already deep into the trend, right? So I personally do not enjoy trending markets where I do not have a very concrete area for entry. So basically, what I ended up doing was sitting out quite a lot. Um, I did consider entering here, but for me, I am very conservative. So because it was all the way down here around the zero line, I wasn't interested. It's not worth for me because it can go a little bit deeper. It can go into a deeper retrace, and I just don't want to risk it. And since this is definitely not a day for shorts, I wanted to give it a good chance to see what's going on, right? So I actually didn't make this area until this morning. So at the moment, there is no area for me. And now is when I'm starting to look into what is going on. All right, so now we have a much deeper retracement, and I am trying to figure out what's going on. I'm still very cautious about the entries. However, now is when I'm starting to really look into it because right here, this is one of my prime type of markets right here. So I'm already below the zero point 0.3 on the MACDs. It's definitely showing me that it has switched direction. It is even a new trend altogether. This was my first entry right in here. And because it's a 1597, it's not where I normally would, not my most conservative trade. It's a teensy bit more aggressive than usual. I only go for 1 point. So I entered right here at 25. Oops. And I was out at 25 right here. Bam, I was done. After that, it continued to run. And now it is still continuing to run. I am now looking to enter more here. That's more of my conservative areas. However, I'm starting to sense some serious divergence. So now I definitely don't want to even be near here. Since the overall market has been going up, 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 this shows me that it's about to fail to go down. So I actually took the time off now because it was lunch, and then I actually came back and did a really fun trade once it broke through this transition area right in here. I entered right here. Oh, no, sorry, it was, no, this is where I did it. I entered right here and I went in with 2 contracts. And I was actually playing it with 2 contracts, and I exit it right here. And this is now what I'm doing is setting myself up for today's market. And this is now proving to be a really strong area. Right now, today, we are in just a hardcore transition area, and I'm waiting for the market to break. So right now we're just kind of hanging out. This is very typical behavior when you have a strong run up for the market to kind of decide what it wants to do next. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm Marina, the Trader Chick Villatoro. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and press like on the page so you get more of these notifications.